Alright, so a YRU car phone mount series. Hold tightly, drive safely, live easily. Just YRU at the top. The hold tightly, drive safely, live easily on the side. Nice little diagram showing you how to set it up, which I'll show you as well. In case you were wondering, YRU stands for your relaxing utensil. Nice. So, hello the world. Let's open this up. Alright, what do we got on top? Look at that. This one has two buttons on each side to open it up. Some leather looking fill on the back with the YRU logo. And then there's our lock that we'll need to mount this on whatever we're going to mount it on. Then cardboard. There we go. So this is a vent clip mount, which I would show you how this worked, but I no longer have a car with vents since I moved over to the Tesla. But essentially, you loosen this and you would take your ring here, put on here, take this, pop into there, tighten this, and then put this into your vent. Once it's in your vent, turn this to close it, and then it should be nice and snug in your vent. Now your phone works by just taking your phone and placing it in here and then closing it. That's all you got to do. Then when you're done with it at the end of the day, press your buttons, grab your phone. So really nice, smooth, and easy to put your phone in and take your phone out. Now we've also got the main mount. That's it for the box. You have an actual instruction manual here. Very nice. And even some wet ones to clean your dash. They also give you a cable organizer, so you can run your cable through here. Use the double-sided tape to organize your cable. And then this is the main mount. As you can see, you can loosen here to adjust this any way you need, and then just re-tighten it. And then similar here, loosen, adjust, tighten. And then this part goes on the same way. Take your screw, drop over, and then just push on, and then tighten. And then you take this nice sticky part, stick it to your dash, and push this down to create the suction, and then you should have no problem taking your phone, dropping it in here, closing it, and having your phone held while you're driving down the road. And then, like I said, press your buttons, grab your phone when you're done. And that should do it for the YRU car phone mount series.